And people are getting charged $4,000 for a new Prius catalytic converter. A lot of people are having to salvage their cars, and there's actually companies that offer to buy your Prius. If the catalytic converter was cut out, they'll just buy your Prius if you can't afford the $4,000 to fix it. Here's the thing, this is the main thing, this is not even for my van, this is for everybody. So when I got my catalytic converter, it was a universal fit, so that's why it was around $520. Now when you look at a Prius direct fit catalytic converter, it is about $3,000. So a lot of people are just going to a smog shop to get theirs fixed. I'm sure the smog place that is able to fix vehicles, or any muffler shop who's able to fix like Priuses, they just go the most expensive route possible. But the thing with the Prius is you could get away with it for about $2,000 if it unfortunately happens to you. So there's different Prius parts. So there's a front and back catalytic converter. If you buy them individually, it'll come out to about $2,000. You just have to find someone who could weld it in. So that's the key. So that's why my catalytic converter ended up costing me just under $800 altogether to get my van up and running, because it was a universal piece. If you go direct fit for my van's about $1,200. That's the cheapest I've seen. So Priuses, you could go from $3,000 to $4,000 to just at $2,000. So there you go. I hope this video helps you guys out. $1,200, I could have done this for $700, but I made a few mistakes. I hope you guys learn from my mistakes and you get away with it a lot cheaper than I did. You get away with this for as cheap as possible, man, because yeah, this sidelined my van since February. I'm happy to have it back registered again, ready to road trip again. Hey, we're all hardworking people here, right? We're just trying to enjoy our lives. I just want to get back to road tripping, and I want to share this knowledge with you guys, because especially Prius drivers, man, I don't want to see you guys spending $4,000. Like, you know, you got a living to make, and $4,000 might stop you guys from. $4,000 will set a lot of people back so badly. So I don't want to see that happen to you guys. You know, I'm just a blue collar guy, man. That's why my van's been out of commission since February. I had to get the funds, and then I made my mistakes. So there you guys go. I hope this brings a little positive news in your life. If you're quoted $4,000, the main thing though is protect your catalytic converter. Don't get complacent like me. All right, everyone. You have a great rest of your week and good luck. I hope you guys spend as minimum as possible to get your car back on the road.